Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Reach Barrier 3009 Kit Garage Door Insulation. If you're looking to transform the temperature in your garage and save energy, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, what sets the Reach Barrier 3009 kit apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. This kit utilizes innovative reflective insulation and bubble barrier technology, effectively blocking up to 95% of radiant heat. That means cooler summers and warmer winters, all while saving you money on energy bills. What's impressive is the construction of these panels. Each panel consists of 2 layers of 5/32" barrier bubble laminated between 2 layers of reflective polyethylene. This not only provides excellent insulation but also ensures durability and longevity. Installation is a breeze with the Reach Barrier 3009 kit. No need for special tools or protective clothing. Everything you need is included in the kit, from the easy-to-follow instruction guide to the permanent bond adhesive tape. Just follow the steps, and you'll have your garage insulated in no time. To recap, the Reach Barrier 3009 Kit Garage Door Insulation is your ticket to a more comfortable and energy-efficient garage. With its advanced technology, easy installation, and proven results, it's no wonder why this kit is considered the best garage door insulating kit on the market. And that wraps up our review of the Reach Barrier 3009 Kit Garage Door Insulation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your product needs. Thanks for watching.